This is what we're about to install. Instead of just setting one temperature and holding your air conditioning system at that one temperature all the time, it can set multiple temperatures based off the time of day and possibly other conditions to try and conserve power. All right, here we are at my breaker box. I need to remove power from the AC and furnace. The power is now off. As we can see, the display on our old thermostat is blank. This is the new thermostat mounting plate right here, and this is the old one. I'm going to push the wire in as far as we can there. Make sure the plate is nice and level. Okay, back to the breaker box. Let's turn the units back on and test our new thermostat. I bought a really fancy smart thermostat that allows me a portal on the internet and a cell phone app. Really all you need is a programmable thermostat that allows you to program in when electricity costs more so your air conditioner runs less. That's my schedule for my thermostat. Mine, being that it's a smart thermostat, also does geofencing so my air conditioner runs less when I leave home. It can as well command a air exchanger in what this particular company calls free cooling, so that it will exchange cooler air outside of the house, further reducing the amount of electricity used in your air conditioner. That may be a very good investment if you have an air exchanger. Our main goal though is to be able to schedule on-demand time so we use less of that expensive electricity, and that can be done with a normal programmable thermostat for about 50 bucks. I bought the ecobee 3 Lite. I'll put a link to where you can get the same one below the video. A lot of thermostats take batteries. The reason is there's no power line coming down from the air handler. And if that's the case, mine came with a little box here to generate the 24-volt AC power to run the thermostat. They explain how to do heat pumps and various different setups in here as well. You may want to get somebody to help you with this, like an HVAC professional. While it is very simple, it can become complicated pretty quickly. I'd love to hear how your thermostat turns out. Go ahead and let me know about that in the comments below this video.